Kia ora! Welcome to the first lesson in To Have. Today we're going to learn how to say, I have something, in Māori. To do this, we need to know the possessives. So, if you haven't already, please view those videos before continuing. To say that you have something, for example, I have a cat, we start the sentence with he. Then we put the thing that we have. Ngeru means cat. At the end, we put the possessive that describes who has the thing and if it's one thing or more than one thing. He ngeru tāku means I have a cat. He ngeru aku means I have cats. Animals belong to the A category, so we say tāku or aku. This would have to change if we were speaking about something that belonged to the O category. Puti puti, for example, which means flower. He puti puti tōku means I have a flower. He puti puti ōku means I have flowers. Nature belongs to the O category, so we say tōku or ōku. We can change the possessive at the end of a sentence to change who the owner is. He ngeru tāku. I have a cat. He ngeru tāu. You have a cat. He ngeru tāna. He or she has a cat. He puti puti ōku. I have flowers. He puti puti ōu. You have flowers. He puti puti ōna. He or she has flowers. All of these sentences can be questions with a change of inflection. He ngeru tāu. Do you have a cat? He ngeru tāku. I have a cat. There you have it. Now you know how to say that you have something. In the next lesson, we'll learn to negate these sentences and say that we do not have something. Ka kite.